In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows in a Smartsheet project sheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have access to the project you want to edit. Once you're in, go ahead and open your project sheet. This is usually the main grid view where you see all your tasks, dates, owners, and other columns laid out in rows. Give the sheet a moment to fully load so everything is visible and responsive. Now we're going to select the rows you want to delete. On the far left side of the sheet, you'll see the row numbers. These act like handles that let you select entire rows at once instead of clicking into individual cells. Start by moving your cursor to the first row you want to remove and click directly on its row number. The whole row should highlight, showing you it's selected. Next, if you want to select additional rows that are directly above or below that first one, you can usually do this by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, then clicking the row number of the last row in the range you want to delete. All the rows in between will highlight as well. If the rows you want to delete are not next to each other, you can select them one by one. Click the first row number to highlight it, then hold down the modifier key your system uses for multi-select, and click the other row numbers you want. Each of those rows should become highlighted, so you'll have multiple non-adjacent rows selected at the same time. Take a second here to double-check that only the rows you really want to remove are highlighted. Deleting rows is a significant change, and depending on your Smartsheet settings and permissions, it may not be easy to reverse. If you're unsure, you might want to quickly scan the task names or key columns in those rows to confirm they're safe to delete. Once you're confident in your selection, move your cursor back over to any of the highlighted row numbers and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options related to rows. In that menu, look for the option that says something like Delete 3 rows, or a similar phrase that reflects the number of rows you currently have selected. Click that delete option. Smartsheet will then remove all the selected rows from your sheet. After the deletion, pause and review your sheet again to ensure everything looks correct and the remaining rows line up as expected. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple rows from your Smartsheet project sheet.